Welcome to DeFi Crypto today. Our topic today is Apeboard. What is that? Well, it's a neat little project. Use it at your own risk. It's still very much beta and doesn't seem to be audited as far as I can tell. So I haven't seen it asking me for my secret passcode or password or anything yet. So, you know, use it at your own risk. I think it's okay to use at the moment, but I could be proven wrong. All right. So what do you do with this? Well, you can you can copy and paste your wallet address here, and it will show whatever you've got in various networks. So you got Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, Terra, Solana, Polygon, and Binance. So, and you can put more than one wallet address if you feel like it, either all at once, so you can create a profile and it contains all your wallets, or you just check one of your wallets at a time, up to you, and you decide what you want to do with this. So you could go here, click that button, and then you can create yourself a profile. You can keep your wallet addresses here, and you hit create. Pretty easy to use. It's very easy to see what's going on it. It's not perfect yet, but it gives you an idea. For instance, it tells you your net worth, how much you can claim. So if you earn anything on various DeFi protocols, you can see how much you've earned so far and how much you could claim. So that's repeated here: network, total rewards, total assets, and if you have any debts, like let's say you're on Aave and you borrowed some assets, it's going to show up here. Okay, this is advertising. So right now it's showing us our portfolio. There's not much in there right now, but we've got a little bit of ETH, a little bit of Matic. I don't even know what this is, but apparently I have it. I guess it must have been airdropped in my account at some point. I have no idea. It's too funny. Okay, and here it shows that 100% of my assets are in my wallet, so I'm not using any DeFi protocols for this demo account at the moment. And it shows us on what chains my assets are. And at the bottom, you get some balances. If you have a lot of small items like I have here that are not important and you don't care to see, you can hide them. So you just see the important balances that you've got in your account. What I really like about it is that I have another wallet that I'm not going to show you today on Terra, the Terra ecosystem, which I like a lot. You can watch my videos about the Anchor and Mirror. Those are on Terra. So if I were to put my Terra wallet account number, it would show all my investments, including what I've got on Anchor, Mirror, and whatever else. Okay. So let's look at the other things we can do here. Okay. Here you can search for various protocols. Okay. And for instance, I could go on PancakeSwap and go there and make a deposit of any tokens, go on a pool, on a liquidity pool, and deposit some tokens there. And then they'll come back, when you come back on Apeboard, it will show up. Okay, so they give us all kinds of fun pools that we could use. Okay, and I'm guessing we can search for anything. Now, there's something I never saw anywhere else before. It's a new feature. It's called Ape Blender. So, so we got a little blender, and you put your apes in there and get some sauce. So actually what it looks like, I haven't tried it yet, I just saw it a few minutes ago. You know, sometimes you accumulate small amounts of several coins and you say, what am I going to do with all that crap? So you can add the tokens you've got, okay, put them in here, and it looks, after you connect your wallet, of course, and it looks like you could add several tokens and convert them into another token of your choice. So, you know, if you got like $1 here, $1 there, a fraction of $1 here or there, you could probably put them all together and convert them into, I don't know, DAI, USDC, cake, whatever, in a single operation. It looks like that. I haven't tried it yet. You guys try it, let me know what you think. Alright, now they have a donate button, so if you want to donate a whole BNB to these guys, go for it. And here, that's what's more useful. They have a list of the protocols that they're compatible with. So right now they've got 11 Ethereum protocols. Some of those are among the most popular. There's one of my favorites there, Aave and Balancer. I love Balancer, they're the best. Curve's also pretty good, Uniswap version 3, and so on. Compound's pretty good too. And then they've got 49 Binance Smart Chain protocols. Okay, you might have some of these already. Okay, and then we've got Terra protocols. They're quite good as well. I like these. And Solana, which I haven't been using yet. So they've got 4 protocols from Solana. My favorite being Polygon, so there's a lot of good stuff from Polygon that is going to show up here, like Aave again, Defi that I talked about in another video, and there's Curve and Balancer and DinoSwap and so on and so on and so on. And also it looks like you can connect your Binance wallet on this and see what you've got there. I haven't tried that yet. So they have a documentation. It's a little bit basic, but here it gives you another idea visually of what's in there. So we can go through this stuff, and they explain the basics of this Apeboard. I think it's a neat idea. It's a little bit like Debank.com. I made a video about that in the whale video. Except it's cuter and a lot more colorful, and it does protocols that Debank does not do, but it's missing quite a few Ethereum protocols. Several of the protocols that I'm using are not listed here. So hopefully that's going to change. You can suggest protocols if you go in the documentation. They have an address where you can submit ideas for them to add protocols. All right. Okay, and don't forget it's beta, so don't expect perfection. Okay, and it's not audited, so use at your own risk. Especially the Ape Blender, they warn you, not audited yet. Use at your own risk. Okay, so I don't know what happens after you blend. Money can just vanish. Who knows? Okay. All right. That's it for Apeboard. If you like this kind of stuff, hey, like and subscribe. They have a like button down there. Yeah, I checked. It's right there. And the algorithm and me are pals. Okay, and we really love when you hit the like button because we want more people to see our videos. I know, eh? We need traffic. All right. Have a good day. Bye-bye.